Hi, my name is Rain Barcliffe, Director of Operations for Green Home Systems. I manage the project management department where we install all the solar projects that the sales department sells. We manage these projects from the initial inspection for the homeowner all the way through the permitting and the installation progress through final inspection with the city or county. Some of the duties of our project managers include contacting permit offices, contacting utilities, making sure that all paperwork is submitted correctly and in a timely manner. So we expect our project managers to have good written and verbal communication skills so that they can properly address any homeowner concerns and keep them updated on the status of their project. We have a nationwide network of partner installers that we work with to get the solar systems installed for our homeowners. It is the responsibility of the project manager to push the installers to get these projects done as quickly as possible and provide a good experience for the homeowner. One of the greatest challenges our project managers face is working with our installers in very rural areas. Sometimes our installers are driving very long distances to get these projects completed, so it's very important that the project manager has made sure materials are on site for the project, made sure that all the paperwork has been submitted to the permit office and the utility, and make sure that the installer shows up on time, completes the job in a timely manner, and leaves the construction area clean after they're completed with the project. I have worked here for over 5 years now and have really grown with this company. I love the opportunities it's given me in my life, in my professional life, as well as in my personal life, and I look forward to having you as part of our team.